Today we're going to be installing a new set of mirrors. These are just regular base mirrors, but they are electric mirrors. Nothing special about them. And we're going to swap them out for these brand new mirrors that are heated. They got the turn signal there, and they got the puddle light in there, and they're plug and play part for this truck. All you got to do is just remove the door panel, but let's get on that right now. So you're going to want to take off this door handle first. Mine's a 2010, so your years might differ. You'll take off this plastic trim piece up here. Use a trim piece remover instead of a screwdriver so you don't gouge your plastics. These are very fragile. Take out the two 10 millimeters that are inside. Put them in there so that way you don't lose them. Take these two out, and then we're going to continue on with the window switch. Then you're going to unplug all four of the connections that are on here and take out this 10 millimeter that's behind this plastic. Keep in mind, I'm also doing this on a Silverado single cab 2010, so steps might vary depending on your year, make of Chevy or GMC, and door size of 2 or 4 doors. Then also don't forget, under this panel there are two 10 millimeter bolts right there. You'll just pull on all the plastic tabs around the door and it'll come free. And then here you're going to want to take off the plastic covering that's on there. Just pull up on the glue right there alongside the door. We're going to have this shield right here that's got 1, 2, and 3 down here, 10 millimeter bolts. You're going to want to move this out of the way. And that'll give us full access to take off these clips and the mirror switch that's right here. Boom. So now we'll be able to pull this across and take it out. And behind this foam, we are going to have our 10 millimeter bolts. There's 1, 2, and 3 behind here. So we'll need to remove this and we'll get it out. Here's the two mirrors side by side. As you can see, this has got nothing in there. But this one has the turn signal. And it's got the puddle light here. This one doesn't. And down here, this one's got one plug with 4 wires. This has got a whole bunch. So I'm gonna figure that out where this all goes connected. All right, so I put the 3 bolts in over here, 10 mils. Put the mirror in from the back and put one in up top. I was busy and I couldn't hold the camera. But you pass the wire down through, comes in. Still trying to see where this wire goes in. I think that's just for the heated. But plug everything up over here. Just put it loosely, the door panel over here, because we now have to check to make sure that this works. Get the turn signal on. And boom, there we go. I think it's because this is supposed to be with the power folding. I'm not too sure, but I think that's all we need and good enough for me. Then don't forget, once you push it in, you gotta put this back on, the lock. The two 10 mils that go underneath here, the 10 mil goes underneath here, the two 10 mils on the handle, plastic one, and you got yourself a new mirror. Time to do the other side.